Welcome. This will be a shorter video. The title of the video that we have a look at today is The Sun We See on Flat Earth, and it's from David Wise, or DITRH as I call him. It's the man with the Sun and Moon clock app or Flat Earth clock app or whatever it's called, and it's about eclipses and the sun. And this is really stupid. Let's start. The sun is physical. The source sun we see daily, and the dome reflections? Oh dear. And how does Dave knows that the ones in the bottom are lens flares and the one in the top is the dome reflection? This is purely based on Dave's own fantasies. This looks more like the effects you can get when you film through a window. You have reflections in the window and the camera have problem with the lights. Therefore, the ones in the bottom behaves on another way than the ones in the top. Our dome of vision? Oh dear. Any evidence for that claim?
Fusion in the sun. They don't know how the sun works.
Why do you? What's special? How does the sun make light?
It's a transformer. Transforms from some other dimension. It's not burning anything. It doesn't have to. It's a converter.
Of what?
I don't know. Nobody knows. But that's what it does. That's the only thing it can do because that's how everything works.
Transforming from another dimension.
Yeah, you could say it's taking energy from another dimension, counter space. There's no energy, actually. You can't. Most of it you can't even measure in outer space or see.
Can't see.
No, you can't see the sun in free space.
The sun is not visible in outer space.
Not in free space. It's only invisible when gross matter becomes involved, like the Earth's atmosphere and envelope and the surface of the moon or whatever. That makes the light.
And of course, he had to bring Eric Dollard into the video, this nutcase that believes in free energy and so on. Oh. How can that be hard to understand? What you're seeing is the dark side of the moon, because the sun is on the other side of the moon. It's no light on the moon. What you see is the sun shining on the moon, so when the sun is on the other side of the moon, you can't see it. To be able to take photos or film the sun, you need a filter. For instance, a neutral density filter, ND filter. The sun is too bright. Oh dear. Windows it's filmed through is not moving. The camera can't handle the direct sunlight, but it can handle the reflection in the window. Therefore you can see it in the window, but not in the direct sun. I just explained that one. It's a reflection in the window of the eclipse. What about your paper towel? Oh dear, flat earth science, I love it. So you don't know where the moon is? No, it's not behind the sun. Oh dear, the sun projection in your fantasies, Dave. There are more flat earth experiments. And there comes the moon. Wow. Oh, this is too stupid. All one on the right side is a reflection in the window that this is filmed through. Easy to prove Dave wrong. You only have to use the ND filter when you film or take photos of the eclipse. This is so damn stupid. Sorry to have to put you through this stupidity.
Destroy.
Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, could become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. Have a nice day, see you soon, bye.